Hey everyone, this is Sean, and today I have with me Mr. Abarum Soard. So, although Abarum Soard you might think is new, believe it or not, the last 6 months you've been watching his videos that he's been editing on this channel. So for the first time, he's actually on camera, and we're here to review the Conambo QC8 noise canceling headset. So, Abarum, would you like to go ahead and unbox this?
Yeah, for sure.
Ooh, awesome. So Abrams, you've been using this for about how long now?
It's been a week now that I've been using these.
Very cool, very cool. So yeah, so why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about the headset? What do you like about it? What are some features that you've noticed? It's a noise canceling headset, right?
Right. So initially, I mean, they're extremely comfortable headphones. I like them because I mean there's a lot of cushion in the headphones themselves, and at the top there's a lot of cushion, and so they're really comfortable, and they have a lot of give. So like, I mean, they could fit any head size.
Okay, so in the box here we've got this the carrying case. We've got the actual headphones themselves. Okay, so these are completely wireless, right?
Yes, Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, so you can pair these with your headphones. Now, I guess nowadays audio jacks are going away, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can pair them to your computer, you can compare them to your phone, your tablet, and these, in case you did want to plug them in, I guess we do have the option to plug it in as well. Let's see what else. This is for charging?
Charger, yeah.
Okay, so you can plug this into any USB outlet to charge your device. Last thing in this box is this jack. We were trying to figure out what this is. I believe this is for the airplane, because some airplanes have 2 jacks. What Abarum and I were trying last time too is we were switching on and off the noise canceling, right?
Yeah, right there.
So can you describe, like, what is it like when you wear the headphones and you switch that on?
So the first time I used the noise canceling was when I was in my car driving home. I put them on and I just flipped it on, and immediately I noticed like the road noise went away, and there's like noises that you would usually hear when driving, it just, you know, vanished.
Nice, nice. Does it change the sound of the music when it's switched on or off?
So when I was at the gym working out, I was trying these on to see what it really sounded like at the gym. I was shooting basketball and, you know, lifting some weights, and I would turn them off and on occasionally just to hear the difference. One thing I did notice that it was more clear, the sound was more rich when I turned on the noise canceling, and I think that's because it's eliminating all the other sounds around you, and it's allowing for a more rich experience with the sound that's coming into your ears.
Awesome, awesome.
So yeah, I did try these while running on the treadmill, and you know, if you run on a treadmill, there's a lot of noise, and there was multiple treadmills running at that time in the exercise room, and I just noticed that it took away all the noise from the treadmill, and I think it allowed me to really focus on my workout and not be distracted by everybody else and the sound in the room, which was really a really cool experience.
Nice. So Abarum, one of the most popular noise canceling headphones is made by Bose. Right. Those are $350 headphones. Can you comment on, you know, the price of these and how they might compare to the Bose noise canceling headphones?
So originally these are $80, but on sale right now they're at $60 on Amazon. Oh. Yeah. And so I think for the quality of these and the quality of Bose, there is going to be a slight difference, but I think for the money you're going to get the worth out of these if you buy these, for sure.
So last question, how comfortable is it? How light is it when you're wearing it? Do you feel like it starts to hurt after a while, or is it pretty good?
So when I was shooting basketball, that's one thing I noticed, like they're fairly light, and when I had them on, I could move around, I could be pretty agile and shoot basketball, and you know, it seemed as if I could definitely feel they're there, but I mean, they weren't that noticeable, you know, when it came to moving around and having them on my head. Yeah.
So this was the review of the Conambo QC8 noise canceling Bluetooth headphones. Special review here by Mr. Abarum Soard. You'll be seeing a lot more videos with him in it. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your feedback in the comments below. Do check out the video description for a link to this, and thank you very much for watching.